It's school holidays, so the school wouldn't even be open. Seems to be a lot of Chinese people in this suburb. You know, technically, I could have just taken this parcel and ran away. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another Amazon Flex shift. Today we're going to Clara, and this is an afternoon shift at the moment, so it's 3:50 p.m. at the moment. I'm actually heading to, the first stop is actually a high school which has asked to have the parcels delivered by 4 p.m. and I'm definitely not going to be there in time. And I tried to call, but there was no answer from the phone number, so we're gonna just head over there. There's no recipient required for these parcels, so hopefully we can just place it somewhere there. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Laters. Alright, so we're here at the school and nothing's open, so I'm gonna see if there's a safe place to put the parcels. You know what the weird thing is? It's bloody school holidays, so the school wouldn't even be open. And I've tried to call them.
Please wait while we transfer you to the customer.
And it doesn't even work. It's open. Wow, look at this. This is one of the parcels. And look at all the stickers that are on it. That means it's been undeliverable for like freaking so many times. Why would you even order when the school holidays? Alright guys, so I just dropped off those 3 parcels for the school. I just went around the back gate and pretty much just put the parcels over the fence or through the fence, and I then confirmed it there. So yeah, just did that off camera. Oh yeah, now we're pretty behind. I mean, it's 4:41. I started at 3:15 and I've only done one stop. So I'm gonna have to pick up the pace, then try and smash all these ones out as fast as possible. So let's go. 62. Let's do it. This is gonna be a speedrun episode, guys. Let's just do this. Alright, number 1. Please wrap in bubble wrap. I ordered the same F1 book already and returned it because it was wrapping damage. Please wrap. Bro, I can't wrap it. What are you talking about? Alright, let's do it. Give me some Coke first. Oh, yummy. Medium box 592. Come on, let's go. Medium box 592, 592, 592, 592, 592. Speed, I am speed. Nope. 62, that's fine. Let's do 592, yes it is. Bang, this. Get out of my way. Come on. As you can see, my car's very full today. Got unlucky with some really large boxes. But oh well, let's just send it.
Connected.
Let's get it. It's absolutely beautiful houses in this suburb. Huge size, huge land space. Check it out. Number 4. Nice car, mate. 26. Yeah, 26. 593. Haven't even had enough time to organize my envelopes. Somewhere there. Yep. This is all the way upstairs, so I doubt anyone's going to take anything. Let's say Amazon Flex can be good exercise if you want it to be. Alright, so I'm going to keep doing this. I will see you guys somewhere around the middle and see how we're going for time. Latest. Check out the view, guys. That looks freaking awesome. This place is a very hilly area. A lot of nice houses and nice cars. Oh yeah, man, people here are rich. 6, this one. Yes. Like, this is literally a mountain, and behind here just goes straight down. And another thing, seems to be a lot of Chinese people in this suburb. They're very friendly. Well yeah, check out that view. The moon's there too. That's awesome. I'd love to see the sunset in this area. Alright, let's keep going. I think this is the second last stop. Got these 2 parcels here. Yeah, you know what saved me so much time? This area was mostly houses. This is actually the first apartment in this run. But yeah, apartments take so much longer. One of them had a message. Please leave outside book. Okay, leave outside the book. Bam. It's so dark. Building.
Call in progress. Please speak now.
Thank you. Oh. I ain't going out. Alrighty, last stop here. Let's check it summary. One more. Let's do it. Alright, last one, guys. It says it's a small box. Hello, thank you. Okay, so it's just said I've completed everything, but I still have a parcel. What the hell? I guess it's a freebie then. Alright guys, so we got one last parcel, but the Amazon shift already like completed itself. But I did remember when I went to pick up, it said 43 parcels on the cage, but I only scanned 42 for some reason, so I might have missed one. So I'm just gonna go to the address on this one and deliver it. So I'll go there and I'll see you guys when I get there. You know, technically I could have just honestly just taken this parcel and I ran away, but that's not the right thing to do now, is it? Yeah, I literally came here earlier, so I guess they'll get their parcel. Alrighty guys, so that's it. That's the shift done. Finished an hour early, which is probably not bad. I thought I was gonna be late, but we were able to smash it out. Yeah, I'm pretty tired though. You know, one thing that's great, pretty much whenever I do Amazon Flex, I pretty much only do it on the days I work, my normal full-time job, and then on the way home, pretty much straight after work, I'll pick up a shift from Amazon, and then if I'm lucky, my delivery route is basically on the way home, which is awesome. So it takes me an hour to drive home anyways. And now, every time I finish, it's almost just perfect timing. My missus finishes work at 7:30, so, and then my Amazon shift is like pretty much from 3:30 to 7:30, so it's just perfect timing. It's way better than just like, you know, going home and then just lounging around waiting for my wife to finish work when I can work myself as well. So it's good. Like, if you guys are watching this and you're bored, like, I highly recommend that you guys do this stuff, because it is just so worth it, honestly. Way better than Uber Eats, DoorDash, any of that stuff. The money's guaranteed, so as soon as you start the shift, you know you're gonna get that much. Sometimes when you're doing Uber Eats, you don't know how much you're gonna get, and sometimes it'll be a quiet night, sometimes you'll just be sitting around doing nothing. With this, you know how much work you have to do by the amount of parcels. You know what you're gonna get, and like, if you work faster, you can finish earlier. So yeah, man, this is awesome. I definitely highly encourage anyone to do this stuff. Amazon Flex gig, man, it's pretty good. But yeah guys, if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna be punching out videos weekly, hopefully. And yeah man, this is just some fun perspective, isn't it? All right guys, peace.